Yeah, can you give me a minute?
Coming down here, ready?
They moved really fast. It's Destiny.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm not gonna get you.
So this is my first time at Chick-fil-A, okay?
Okay.
And I noticed y'all don't have any burgers.
No, we don't. All we have is chicken.
So there's no burgers whatsoever?
No.
Like none?
No.
There's nothing other than chicken?
Yeah, that's all we have.
Well, y'all have sausage, but that's only in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh! And bacon, but where's the meat at?
Outside.
Oh, so where can I get like a good burger at?
You're at Chick-fil-A. You need to try a chicken sandwich.
Man.
I'm not used to chicken.
But y'all can't get like a bunch of sausage patties together and put in a burger?
No, we don't have sausage right now.
Oh! FML? Okay, never mind then. Thanks.